This space used to hold a snarky analysis of the glorious otaku website Sankaku complex, but YouTube deemed it as sexually explicit content and took it down. Going by YouTube's own guide, the video shouldn't have been taken down, as the potentially sexually explicit content is used for documentary purposes, but that's a pretty weak excuse on my part. Even so, it should have just been deemed as inappropriate for minors and being age restricted. But YouTube was still afraid that screenshots of poorly censored anime nipples would cause widespread distress, panic and collapse of society as we know it, so rejected my appeal. Seems strange considering the High School DxD ending is on YouTube, but what do I know about the inner workings of internet media giants? So instead I've posted my video on Vimeo, who despite their artsy bullshit tagline have at least not taken it down. Yet.